street rod to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1931 Ford Model A Roadster that's been street rodded. V8 power now underneath the hood, 305 cubic inches. Paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. This is an all steel car, so fenders, body, hood, deck lid, all steel. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on a torque thrust 5-spoke style wheel, black and polished, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. So flat black or satin black finish. Fuel cell has been relocated to the trunk. In the still pictures, you're going to also see a top that goes along with this. Give you a good look at the interior. So bench seat, kind of a saddle colored interior, aftermarket gauges. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up. I'll go through what some of the switches are for. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, listen to it run. This one does have headers, Flowmaster exhaust, and as you can see coming out the rear, it is a dual exhaust. There's also coilovers on it. When we get underneath that hood, we're going to see HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, electric fans, and then of course that small block 305 V8 power. And once again, if you want to look at the still pictures, you'll be able to see it there, as well as the underside, interior, that top we're talking about, the trunk area. uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these street rods, or maybe you're into Model A's, whatever the case may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. You can also see on these front wheels behind them is disc brakes. So we do have disc brakes up front. Let's go ahead and pop this door open. So tilt column, as you can see, this is actually the headlight switch for high beam, low beam, and off. There's also a pull-out switch right there, and that's for turning on your gauge lights, interior lights. Banjo style wheel, little storage compartment on the door panels. Nice looking interior. It's fired up. This is a good sounding car. Hear the electric fan kick in. That's wired at the switch. All right, see that oil pressure gauge come up. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Voltmeter came up. Tack is in up. Speedometer and a fuel gauge. I'll let you listen. Little rumble coming out of that small block, but nothing too crazy over the top. All right, let's go ahead and I'll get one of these hood panels open so we can take a peek at that engine bay. All right, here we go. So, mentioned HEI ignition a little earlier. There it is, Edelbrock 4-barrel. Mentioned the headers, aluminum radiator, that electric fan. Running smooth. Looking for a little street rod or hot rod that won't break the bank, have some fun with in the summer? Here you go. 1931 Ford Model A Roadster. Again, check the still picture. You're going to see that top that comes with it. Number to call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1931 Ford Roadster. We do have the top off. This car comes with a top that is made of vinyl and attaches with a couple studs and nuts. That will be pictured separately. Check out all the pictures of this car for the details. This is a nice running car. Starts up and idles smoothly right away. Automatic on the column. We got a later model column, I should say, and it is shifted right here as an automatic. Gauges from odometer, a temperature showing about 160, still rising. The oil pressure 40 psi. The volts are over 14. That's what you want to see. We're doing almost 50 miles an hour, keeping the wind down a little bit. Hopefully you can hear me. The tachometer is not reading. Fuel gauge reads just about empty over there on the right side. There is a cooling fan running as soon as you get power to the key. As long as this key remains in run position on the column, here's your starting key. I'm sure Jay went over that with you. Great running car, nice ride, handles good. You got that flat black look, as a hot rod should look, with a simulated textured hide on the inside. In a dark gray, looking good. Dark gray carpet. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. Brakes are nice and smooth. We've got trunk space. The battery's mounted in the trunk. This car corners really well. It's light and sturdy. Let's pass this. Very good acceleration. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.